So hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial we are going to make a simple table, we can say simple design of a table with the help of SolidWorks tool. So in my previous video I explained brief about SolidWorks software, so you can refer this video. I will provide the link in description box. And so as you see on my computer screen, so this is a basic SolidWorks interface. So when I click on new part, so let's start with a simple sketch. I select sketch. Now I will draw in front plane, so I select front plane. So now I select center rectangular. At origin point I draw a rectangular, and now I select start smart dimension for giving a dimension. So I define 200 mm as length and its width is 90 mm. So this is a center rectangular because it is drawn from center point. So now I exit from the sketch. Now I select feature and extruded boss base command, means to give the height of a 2D object. So as you can see, this is arrow represent the direction of extruded part, that is in this direction or in back direction. So you can manually give from here. I gave 20 mm as its height. You can also select blind. Blind means in one direction, one plane only. You can also give from mid plane. So I select mid planes, means between mid plane it will extrude same size here and same size here. So it extruded from its mid plane. This is its mid plane showing in blue line. So now I click on right. As you can see that this is extruded. So now I want to do fillet. So I click fillet. Now fillet size I 5 mm and I click one edge. As you can see all the edges are selected. So you can see this, the fillet is given to all the corners, edges and shaft. This is sharp corner converted into rotating part. So now I select this face. As you can select the backside face also. Now right click and this one sketch. I click on sketch. Now you can convert this into normal picture with the help of Control 8. So you can see it is in normal position. So now I want its leg. So now you can see here the picture, our drawing is not under defined, so you have to give all the dimension to define it. So now I select here I select a corner rectangular, one rectangular here, one rectangular here. I draw first randomly, then we will assign some relation to it. So now first of all I will fix one rectangular. So first we will assign the dimension. You can see here I give 5 mm and height is also 5 mm. So you can see now you will get when all the dimensions, all the sides of a rectangular converted into black sided. So you can see your drawing is fully defined. So here all four sides are blue, so you have to give the relations and other dimensions. So I select this line and this point. So from upper side height is 4 mm. Now from this corner and this line it is 5 mm. So now you can see that it is a fully defined. The drawing is not fully defined, but this profile is fully defined. So now I will assign some relation also. Now first of all, you can also give like this way. You first of all delete all the rectangulars, or you can trim from here. This option is for trimming some entities. So now this is first power trim. Just drag here, it will trim. Drag here, drag here, it will rub this one and this one. So now just go to linear sketches, go to, or simple. The simple design is just first make a center line from this one, this one, this one. Now make the relation horizontal, both side horizontal. Right click. Now simply go to mirror entities and select all these 4 sides of rectangular. And now here you can entities to be mirror, means that entities you want to mirror. Now mirror about means कौन सा प्लेन जिसके थ्रू या जिसके सेंटर से आप उसको मिरर करना चाहते हैं. नाउ जस्ट क्लिक दिस प्लेन, यू कैन सी दिस इज मिरर. Sorry, just once again click all the. Now just mirror. Now you have to click right. So you can see here. Now what are all the relation will be provided here, they also converted to here. So now again I select center line about this one. I draw center line. The relation should be vertical. Now again mirror entities, select all. Also the below rectangular, side of below rectangular, select this one. Now just mirror about this axis. So you can see here. So now next process is very simple. Just exit from the sketch, go to extruded boss base, and you can see all are selected. So simply drag or give it manually. So I will give a, let's say 100 mm and right click. So you can see this is our table, this is our sample table, and these are its leg. So this is a simple design of table. Now you can also create some design here, like just click on upper face and sketch. Now Control 8, that is it will show normal plane. Now I want some holes on that plane. So simply I click I draw a circle here. Again I draw a circle here. I draw a circle. I want 5 circles, all 5 circles. Simple. So now give smart dimension. First of all I give it 100 mm diameter. Oh sorry, it is very big. 10 mm diameter. Again 10 mm diameter. You can see here. Also give him 10 mm diameter. This one 10 mm. This one 10 mm. This one 10 mm. So now simple, I will assign some relation, like from here to here the height is 10 mm. Now from distance from here to here it is also 10 mm. So now it is fully defined. Now August M, just click this point and this point. Sorry, just click this point and this point. Make the relation vertical. You can, this is vertical. Now again this is movable. You can see this is moving. This is moving in this direction. So you have to give some relation, that like from here to here the length is 10 mm. It is fully defined. So now also you have to give some relation to that, also some click here and here, assign the relation horizontal, also here and here assign the relation horizontal. Now again choose smart dimension and give dimension, that is 10 mm. This one also 10 mm. So now you can see our drawing is fully defined from this one. Our drawing is fully defined. So now next step is exit from sketch, go to feature, and this part extruded cut, I want cut throughout our plate here upper side. So you can see this one, you can see hole are created throughout. So this is our simple table